Hi, this is Kranti Gadgir. I am a physiotherapist working from past 14 years. I am a team member of Her Wellness working at Ankura Pune, Women and Childcare. So today we are basically going to talk about the most important topic discussed nowadays, that is labor support. Why labor support? What is labor support? Like, people think that the doctors and the nurses team available there, they are there to support me. Then why I require something different? So basically, labor support is a person who is going to guide you throughout your labor. Physical, mental, emotional support is given by that person. She can be a doula, she can be a midwife. The labor support person has knowledge of everything which can help you to go through your labor and have a safe delivery. Now, many patients come to me and ask that why then I require support prior, it was not required. Why we required it now? Basically, if you see the lifestyle changes happening now, we are not used to do many movements which our ancestors used to do. Sitting down movements are not even done in these days. We don't even have our lunch or dinner sitting down on the floor, which was a regular practice back in those days. So many a times we require few exercises, we require few things. Like, if you are having tremendous back pain during your labor, the labor support person helps you to give the massage so that it can be relaxed. Now, the most important thing that people think, that when you take epidural, if in case the pain is unbearable, I can understand that. If your pain capacity is so that you think that you are tired but you require an epidural support, after that the labor support person is of no use. No, that's not the case. Even if you are taking epidural, even after that the labor support person can help you in many ways, because it's not just doing an exercise or any physical activity. That person is going to be there, be your guide, support you emotionally, give guidance to your partner as well, because your partner plays a very important role during your labor. So in all these things, whether it is massage, whether it is the requirements which you have, what you want to eat, or what activities you want to do, all these things are taken care by your labor support person. And this helps you to go through a good and safe delivery. I hope that you can have this experience here in Ankura Hospital. We, our team, are ready to support you. So I have a request to everyone that please do think about labor support. If you have any queries related, you can contact us back. Thank you.